What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks that I'm looking at for today and how I traded them. So today we had a nice early morning break, I would call it. We had a nice halt in the morning. You can see here from 9:30 to 9:45, 15-minute halt here. There was no trading at all. Stock market just tanked from Friday after the big rally. But that's what happens in bear markets, right? We go down, and then we get this big push, a big, amazing push, and then we continue on down. I'm thinking there is going to be some consolidation coming up here. Price going sideways here a little bit. And we'll see here. Look at this big spike down. Just breaking through all types of support. Let's see here. Oh, we got some support here. 239 area. That's where it's reversing off of right now. But man, look at that. Look at that. 30%. Alright, so let me jump into the trades I did today. Even though the market is overall down today, I am not. I had a nice green day today. But real quick, if this is your first time viewing the channel, you should subscribe to the channel if you want to see how I trade these low cap stocks and just documenting, what I do and what I'm finding out to be some of the more of the best looking setups, especially for us beginners. All right, let's look at OPGN here. Now, OPGN was a little tricky here. You have to use the pre-market activity here, and let's zoom in here. You see here we got explosion, two big old green candle bars of explosion here, breaking through price here, and we got a little bit of a level here around 309, right? 310 or 311. We can see that, right? This is where the candle closed at, right? So candle opened up here, closed here, and stop. Candle opened up here, closed here, and then stop. So this is a very significant level here. Price kept stopping around 308, 311. So let's look over here, and we go ahead and mark it out before the stock even opens up. And look here, top pops right down here to 308. What was the low? The low was 310. 320 was the low on that candle. 312, 310. So 310, right? Right between 308 and 311. RSI dip below the min line. You gotta hop in. I got in late here. Not gonna lie, 341. Got in late. Thank goodness it wasn't 362, the spike there, but still got in late here. Just being a little bit cautious, being slow on the draw. And then I sold as soon as it started getting weakness here. Sold most of my shares at 364, around that area. A little 6% gain. Then I sold the rest when it started tumbling down here around 357, around that area, 355. Don't have the trades pulled up right now, but and then I didn't do this trade, but look at this. Look at this. It took the bottom of this support right here, 293, and this is why it's tricky, because it's not really much to go off here. It only touched it here one time. But you got the indicators going along with you, right? Making a higher low here. Went from 17 was the low to being 19 being the low. You got support there showing at pre-market just a little bit, and you just try your luck out, right? Get in, set your stop for 3%, I would say, because you're looking at support, you're buying at support. Support doesn't work out, you're getting out quickly. You can easily make that 60% gain. Very nice, very nice. Did a trade on FSEAL here. Zoom in real quick. FSEAL was a little tricky too because it had this big old explosion. It's nowhere really telling where support was going to be at. Support's way down here, and FSEAL just hasn't touched that area there yet. So I decided to get in here a little early. I saw that Indicator was curling down here. Saw that there was potential support here off of this area. Candle touched here, broke through, came back here for support on this candle, and went up from here from 120. I got in at 124 right here on this green candle on this curl. Sold at resistance here at 132. You can see that it had some resistance here. This is where it dropped off at, right? It was bobbling around this price here, and then it dropped off. So that was resistance there. Now it's just going sideways here. I could see it going up even higher, maybe. You could see it all depends on the price action. What news it got. This looks like it's got some press release news and all that stuff. I don't even look at that. It's all about price action, right? Price action is going to tell you if it's good news or not. Alright, let's look at gold. Gold made a nice move here. Went all the way to $5 a share. And everyone was trading around 30 bucks a share. $5 a share here. Had a nice third green candle explosion here. Just got to wait out for the better trade here. Went up 60% so far today. 60% from the low. So over that. So very nice move on gold here. Making a, seems like a reversal or some sort. He wants to do something. He's getting pretty bullish. So maybe watch gold there. And definitely not going to be swing trading it. Way too crazy. Then, you know, if you look back at the old video when I was swing trading, I did the second swing trade. And I got in at a good price, right? I got in at 25 bucks. And I was trying to wait for the indicator to slow to max out. I could have sold at a good profit here. I was trying to be greedy and ended up coming back here to my price, and I just sold here at a little bit of loss. And that's the importance of a stop loss, you know? Don't just hang in there when the stock's not doing what you think it's going to do. So don't just hang in there. You got to get out. And good thing I did, otherwise I would be at an 80% loss. Alright, you guys, that is it for me. Hope you guys are out there trading safely. I'm really emphasizing looking at support levels when you are trading these low cap stocks, right? Let's look at AYTU real quick. Make this video quick. Let's clear all this out real quick. Let's look at the pre-market. Okay, we got some fighting going on around here. Support here, support here. Got some support areas here. So let's look at this highest level of support, right? Because before the market opens up, it's trading around this area, and this is going to be the first level of support. AYTU just ignored that and just kept riding up here. Came to support one time here, right? Could have tried it out. Very tricky. It's just overall downtrending here. But it respected this low right here. The lower the support, the more stronger it's going to be. We got a nice dip on the RSI. Is it going higher? Let's see, 16 there to 16. That's a nice even double bottom right there on the RSI. There's even and the price went down. That means there's some buyers coming in. So there's a nice bottom here at 128, 127. It touched that area, 125 around there. Yeah, 127. Touch that. Try out your luck. Mark out a stop loss 4%. You can just ride it on up. You got 8% there. Let's zoom in here. Get 8% there. Then you set your stop loss around here. Looks like you get stopped out here. Get stopped out right there. You can make the case to make it another buy if you want. That's the only way you'll catch the bigger move there. So you got some kahunas and you're reading up on the news or something and just want to stick in there, but I like to just raise my stop to the last resistance level and see how it reacts, and then I get out if it breaks through it. Alright, you guys, hope that helped out, and hit that like button for me if you would, if you like these videos, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.